In the last audit of United Airlines to United Ground Express, they didn't found nothing in the audit. Something good we are doing, you know? I believe that my work is very important for the company because when I inspect all the equipment, I guarantee that to my coworkers the safety of all of us. You know, I believe that the improvement that the company has since the company take the control of the operation here is that the delays was reduced. The quantity of damage in the units are reduced too.
For me personally, I have like fun working outside, working with people. Everyone is like giving their knowledge. Up to now, I'm still like knowing things that I could use, that I think improve. It's not just everything, the perks that comes with it, but the opportunity and the pride that I get.
Because we get this initiative, if somebody cannot do the job right away, somebody gonna step up right quick. I mean, helping one another, that's the inner force that we got, because we're not working as just like an employee, because we're family.